So a previous video of mine, I demonstrated some accessories that are compatible to be used from the Mavic Pro 1 original that are able to be used to the Mavic 2, either the Zoom or the Pro. And one of the most interesting things that worked was the blades from the previous generation Mavic Pro, which meant both the low noise and the stock blades are able to be used on the latest Mavic 2 body. And just to continue testing these things out, I want to go ahead and see what decibel readings do these blades each get, just because curiosity. So before I begin this test, I did went ahead and test this out outdoors, but I live in a very windy region, which made it really difficult to get an average reading on decibel levels whenever the wind would randomly just blow. So I did the next best thing and did this test in my garage. Not a really good idea place to do this, I know, but as long as we have a controlled environment, we should be able to keep things consistent to see the differences and improvements. Since after all, at the end of the day, all we're really trying to do is just get a general idea. Now let's go ahead and first start off with the original Mavic Pro with its default stock blades and just begin to work our way up to the Mavic 2 with its latest blades. Alright, so those were the results, and for those wondering, the placement to everything was like this. The drone was 1 feet above the ground, and I was using a decibel reading app on my iPhone 10, which once again, not the most accurate thing in the world, but this is just a good way for us to get a general idea where these decibel levels rank. So the iPhone was kept 15 feet away from the drone, and the ending results were quite interesting. For example, if we take a look at the original Mavic Pro with its regular stock blades compared to the Mavic 2 with those same exact blades, the Mavic 2 peaked at a higher decibel level than the original Mavic Pro with its stock blade. But with the Mavic 2 new redesigned, more aerodynamic improved body, it gave it the ability to be 1 decibel lower when on idle. And then the rest with the low noise blades, you see the similar results. But at the end of the day, the new blades are equipped on the DJI Mavic 2, Zoom, and Pro are definitely the best from DJI. But nevertheless, all these levels are very close to some everyday items. Between the 70 to 80% decibel reading, that's usually equivalent to a vacuum cleaner or an alarm clock, to give you some examples. But anyways guys, that's gonna be it. Let me know down in the comment section down below if you too predict that DJI will do a similar thing what they did with the Mavic Pro 1 and releasing a quieter version of the Mavic 2, like the Platinum, in the near future. So that's gonna be it guys. Remember, if you found this video useful and informative in any way, show your gratitude by smashing that like button, as well as subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any tech content like this, and there will be plenty of drone content in the near future as well. So get subscribed, share this with a friend, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.